for being here tonight. Of course, ang ating bida sa Dear Dev, Miss Lotlam de Leon.
Invite lang ako, wait lang. Bakit po, ma'am? Ganda. Thank you, ma'am. Ano din kayo? Kahit hindi mo content creator. Ito natin, dami biscuits.
Ano yung FTRCD ba ito ah? Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Again, maraming salamat po for joining us this evening dito mismo sa SM North EDSA, the Block Cinema 3, tayo po sa Grand Red Carpet Premiere ng Near Death, papalabas po yung October 24. Of course, nakikita natin ang ating mga actors nandito, kaya our producers. Photo wall, si Sarah Abad is here. Hi, Sarah! Go, Sarah! Ayan, friends na dito, press. Pagdating natin sa ating red carpet yan, of course. Carlo Aquino is here. Hi, Carol! Photo wall. Again, Carlo Aquino. All out ang support sa ating bidang si Charlie Dizon para sa Near Death. Thank you so much, Carol. Maraming salamat for joining us this evening. Dito mismo sa SM North EDSA, the Block Cinema 3. Again, mga kapamilya, Carlo Aquino. There's Carlo Aquino, Carlo, it's okay to not be okay. Nakatatapos lamang last week. Congratulations, team. It's okay. And of course, right now, Dizon sa Near Death. Thank you so much.
Nahulog ako. Sa flyo box. Yan ba?
Again, maraming salamat, Carlo Aquino. Mga kabody natin ng ating mga cast, maya malalaman dito sa ating red carpet, dito sa ating photo wall. Dahil sila kayo naman sa mga kapamilya yung nag-aabang. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Of course, we welcome red carpet. Mga kapamilya, Miss Lotlam de Leon. Hi, Miss Lotlam. Hello po. Ayan, one photo lang po with Miss Lotlam. And of course, maraming salamat. Kasama din natin Charlie D. Congratulations, Charlie. Another project for Charlie.
Yes.
These are kakalaunch nga lang ng What Lies Beneath, available ngayon tomorrow sa prime time video. Pero syempre tonight, kailang mapapanood natin para sa Near Death. Ako, grabe. Kita natin sa teaser ng Near Death na talaga naman.
Star Magic.
Very excited tayo lahat for Charlie Dizon. Ayan, pwede tayo pumasok, Charlie, after ng photo dito sa ating cinema. Yes po. Hello, Tore! Hi, Morena! Thank you so much for joining us. Maraming salamat for joining us tonight, ating mga friends. Thank you, Morena. We're very excited for you. Ayan, one photo lang po sa ating photo wall, Miss Nika once again. Miss Nika Valencia. We are very excited dito sa Near Death. Yes, of course, sa mga batang 90s, kilala Miss Nika Valencia. Kasama din natin Sir Soliman Cruz. Project sa Real Manaba. Congratulations sa one photo lang sa ating
Sir Magic.
Ayan, thank you so much everyone. Once again sa Real Manaba.
Sir Magic.
Of course, tawagin din natin. Ayan, meron tayong quick interview namin sa Real. Of course, habang match.
Isang kaway lang po.
Sige, kaway.
Maraming salamat. Sir Soliman Cruz, very excited kami. So much. And of course, kasama natin sa ating red carpet.
Hello.
Hi RK, one photo lang tayo dyan sa ating photo wall for Near Death. This coming October 24 na po, Near Death. Of course, naging nakita all out ng support kay RK para sa Near Death. Very excited tayo lahat for this film. Congratulations, RK Magachimay. Maraming salamat. Pwede din tayo pumasok sa loob ng Cinema 3. And of course, two of our producers for this film, Sir Louie and Direk Alpo. Ayan, one photo lang po sa ating photo wall. And of course, our main one of the directors of the Primetime Kapamilya series, Batang Quiapo, and of course the director of last year's MMFF film, Topak. Congratulations! And another film from Direct RBS, ang Near Death. Alam ba, aside from being the director, si Direct Ben ang production designer ng thank you so much for the support of RK Bagachin, na talagang bida dito sa Near Death. Of course, one of my Star Magic artists, Maria is here. Hi, Maria.